This is my Elderflower champine, and this is the finishing stages. So I've had it fermenting now for about 2 weeks, and it's almost gone a bit quiet, but I've been giving it a good stir and a shake daily. And then I strained it off for a fine sieve. I'm going into this because it's a bit easier to decant into bottles. And again, I'm using plastic bottles because it's a bit safer rather than having an explosion. Although I have kept a couple of glass bottles just for the drama and the theatre when you pop it open. I'm then going to save some just to make some elderflower vinegar. So I'm going to strain it. There's a bit of sediment now as I get to the bottom, but strain it into this jar, leave it open, and after about 5 weeks, it will turn into elderflower vinegar. Remember to burp your bottles daily. This was after day 3. It smells incredible. I can smell it from here. The pine and elderflower, really, really fragrant. So I'm happy. I've been tasting the elderflower champagne daily, and this is day 10, and you can see how blown up and taut those bottles are. And even the plastic bottles, a couple of times the lids did blow off. So just be careful when you're unscrewing it. Just do it slowly. And look at that. I was so pleased with this. I didn't make any last year, so I'm glad I'm back on track because the smell, fragrance and flavour's incredible. And just look at that fizz. I popped a couple of champagne flutes in the freezer, a couple of strawberries from the garden. And then away we go. Look at that. So lively, fizzy, bubbly. Cheers.